Today, I'm going to show you how to indent in Google Sheets. While Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in indent button like you might find in word processors, I'll walk you through a clever workaround that will let you create visual indentation for your data. This is especially useful when you're organizing hierarchical information or creating nested lists within your spreadsheet. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your Google Workspace account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are displayed. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create indentation. This will open your Google Sheet and bring you to the editing interface. Before we dive into the solution, it's important to understand that Google Sheets doesn't have a native indent feature like traditional word processing software. However, we can create a workaround using custom number formatting that achieves the same visual effect. Now let's get to the actual indenting process. Click on the first cell containing data that you want to indent beneath a parent category or header. Here's where things get useful. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on any additional cells you want to indent at the same level. This multi-select feature allows you to apply the indent formatting to multiple cells simultaneously, saving you time if you have several items that need to be indented. With your cells selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From that menu, hover over or click on Number, which controls how data is displayed in your cells. You'll see another sub-menu appear, and from there, click on Custom Number Formats. This option gives you complete control over how your cell content appears. A dialog box will open with a field for entering your custom format. Here's the key to creating your indent. Type 5 spaces into the field. The number of spaces you type determines how far your text will be indented, so feel free to adjust this based on your needs. After entering your spaces, type the @ symbol. This symbol tells Google Sheets to display the original text content of the cell after those spaces, effectively creating the indent effect. Click Apply to confirm your custom format. And there you have it, you've successfully created an indent solution in Google Sheets using custom number formatting. Your selected cells will now appear indented, making your data hierarchy much clearer and easier to read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.